If you are seeking peace and tranquility close to town, you will love this end-of-the-road townhome. It sits on over half an acre lot, giving it that country feel, but conveniently located between Whitefish and Kalispell. The oversized two-car garage provides ample storage space for your seasonal toys, along with the additional parking pad for your boat or RV. Inside, this townhome feels incredibly spacious as well. So let's head in and take a tour. Upon entry, you are greeted by the fully remodeled kitchen, complete with marble countertops, tile floors, and stainless steel appliances. As we head into the dining room, lift your eyes to the spacious vaulted ceiling and appreciate the tongue-and-groove accent carried throughout the dining and living spaces. Heading through the living room, you will see the wood-burning fireplace with stone surround. This is one of 4 heat sources within the home, sure to keep you toasty warm on those chilly Montana nights. Just around the corner is an additional kitchen space perfect for storing your Costco-sized items. To the right is a bonus room that could be used for a home office, hobby room, play area, or oversized mudroom. Up the ladder, you will find a lofted flex space, perfect for storing those seasonal items or creating the dream children's clubhouse. Next to the dining space is an additional living area with a wood-burning stove, complete with brick surround. Around the corner, we enter the main floor bedroom, featuring a vaulted ceiling with gorgeous wooden beams. Let's peek behind the beautiful barn door and catch a glimpse of the bathroom and laundry room before heading upstairs. The galley walkway upstairs overlooks the living area, continuing to provide an open and spacious feel. You will love the layout here with 2 additional large bedrooms, multiple closets providing additional storage space, and a full bathroom. With summer just around the corner, you will no doubt spend many evenings on this back patio, drink in hand, watching the wildlife meander through the yard. Welcome to your Montana slice of paradise. If you have additional questions or would like to set up your own personal tour, give me a call anytime at 406-890-5390.